everyone, welcome to Kelly's Creative Dream Studios. I am Kelly. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in South Central Missouri. And it's a scrapbook Saturday. And today I am using What's Cooking, the stamp set, and the dies. And let me tell you, if you have been in the kitchen with your kids or your grandkids, this is a set that you want to have, and it is going to be gone the end of this month. So it's on our last chance list. And remember that those items are while supplies last. So you're going to want to check that one out. I have a double page 12 by 12 layout. And I chose to use the papers from Berry Blessings, which was our paper in our spring catalog in 2021. And I think it's just perfect for this. Couple of things. Now, if you've not been to my channel before, then you may not know the story behind Adrian. Adrian is my eldest granddaughter. She is now almost 14. And from the time she was 18 months old, she loved to be in the kitchen with me. If I went into the kitchen, she was instantly at the gate from the living room to the kitchen with her hands up, help, help. So I did a lot of cooking for about a year with this child on my hip. So as soon as she was old enough to get up on the step stool, I got her up there. Now I know I've got a glare on these and I can't do a lot about it. I'm going to do my best. It's about 8 o'clock at night. It's way past my bedtime. But I spent about 4 hours on this layout tonight. I could not have done this layout on camera. And I was so engrossed in getting this done so that I could do the video. I did not pay any attention to the time, and I did not get to talk to Bobby today at all. He's on the boat. He's gone for another 12 days. And we only have a brief few minutes each day to talk. And today wasn't one of them. I felt really bad not getting to him. So I've got some things on these photos. One of the things to note, let's see if I can get this in frame so you can see and not a glare. The apron and the headband that Adrian is wearing were her great-grandma's. And that apron is the first apron that I ever wore when Mom got me in the kitchen at about the age of 9. And I've been cooking in the kitchen ever since. So I wanted to bring in the blue of her shirt, the red of the headband and the apron. So the Berry Bliss with the blueberry tones and the reds just seemed to fit. I used the basic white triangles to pop off the page a little bit because I didn't, real red was the only 12 by 12 I had that would go with this layout. You'll notice that I have stamped and punched out the spatulas, the measuring cups, the spoons, the bowls. And then so there's this one. I'm overseeing her crunching up the graham crackers and putting them in the food processor. She got to push the buttons. And then here we are on the second page, and I'm trying to stay this in the light. So if I get out of frame, I apologize, but I'm not going to get the whole thing in frame, so I'm going to be moving it around. I've used cinnamon cider for the wood tones, Pacific Point and Real Red for the other colors. Like on this one. Oh, and I didn't get a measuring cup down. I guess I got to come back and do that one or I'll lose it. I did the center pictures. I brought them up on dimensionals so that they popped up a little bit. After we got the crust in the pan, she got to lick her fingers after pressing the crust into the pan. And then she also got to taste the, lick the spatula for the cherry, or the cream cheese filling that went into the cherry cheesecake. And I just love this little picture of her. That is one of my favorites of this batch. And then of course, I'm going to see if I'm going to turn it sideways so you can see it, but there's that face of hers. I will take complete shots of the pages and have them on my blog that you can go to my blog. The link will be down below and you can check out the pictures. I'm thinking about something across the center about in the kitchen with Grandma, that kind of thing. I have also stamped out some of the sentiments from the stamp set. I have What's Cooking, and then I have Happiness is Homemade, and I think I like it in the red, but I'll see, and I'm going to play with that, and it will fill up space on the journaling band, on the title band across the top, or maybe with the journaling block down here at the bottom. So that is my Scrapbook Saturday for this week. This is the first 2-page 12 by 12 layout I have done in years. Probably why it took me over 4 hours to do. I did use the stitched rectangles to trim the pictures down to the size that I needed. And I think that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down while I'm thinking about it. And I think I'm going to pop that, it up on dimensional. So hold that thought and we'll put that together. And then that's going to do it for Scrapbook Saturday for this week. Remember, no video tomorrow. But if you want to check out my blog, there will be a sympathy card on my blog for Sunday. And then I will be back here Monday for Mail It Monday, and we are going to be cracking open the latest paper pumpkin. So I hope you'll come back and join me for that. In the meantime, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and all creative blessings.